Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll be exploring Supabase Functions, Supabase's answer to serverless functions. I'll show you how to set up server-side logic for complex queries, manage scheduled tasks, and extend your app's functionality in powerful new ways. Supabase functions are built to handle server-side logic, and they're perfect for complex queries, handling sensitive operations, or managing workloads that need to run asynchronously. This serverless approach means you can deploy custom backend functionality without managing your own server infrastructure. Let's look at how to build and deploy these functions. With Supabase Functions, you can run backend code that directly interacts with your PostgreSQL database. Need to perform complex joins, sensitive operations, or recurring tasks? You can write the code, deploy it to Supabase, and even schedule it to run automatically at specific times. This is particularly useful for heavy data processing tasks or recurring data analysis. Supabase functions can also connect seamlessly to your front end. You can trigger them in response to user actions like submitting a form or clicking a button to perform background tasks or calculations and send the results back in real time. This brings a level of flexibility and responsiveness that lets you build rich, interactive features without additional backend complexity. With Supabase Functions, you gain advanced serverless capabilities to enhance your app's functionality while keeping your infrastructure lightweight. Whether you're adding complex business logic or simply need to schedule regular tasks, Supabase Functions can streamline your development process. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into cutting-edge development tools. Do you need expert guidance or Supabase consultancy? Meta Design Solutions is here to help. Reach out to us at this email ID. See you in the next video.